Remco has been leading the way for over 30 years, with a range of award-winning covers and other pool products to meet every need and every budget. To further maximise your enjoyment of your pool, it's worth considering the revolutionary Remco SwimJet system. With its quiet, bubble-free and turbo-adjusted speeds, the strong underwater current turns even small pools into Olympic-sized ones. The Remco SwimJet is the most energy-efficient design on the market, using up to 80% less energy than most other pool jets. With no pumps or plumbing, SwimJet has a clean, simple design and is easy to install in new pools. SwimJet offers 5 different turbine configurations to suit all pool requirements and is also very quiet when operating. SwimJet's innovative design reimagines the swimming experience. Its 7 current speeds suit any strength of swimmer, from advanced fitness training to a relaxing paddle on a hot afternoon. To find out more about the SwimJet system, contact Remco today.